Prioritize yourself. Friends will come, relationships will come, opportunities will come. You just have to be in alignment with your purpose, and sometimes that takes being in solitude. Because I was spraying some rosemary on her hair. I'm just here to serve and come as my authentic self, and whatever that cultivates is fine with me.
I don't really wanna stay, I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it together.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm just
So hot out here today. Peace and love. Today I am back with another vlog, and I'm feeling real good today. It's 88 degrees outside. I have a client. I'm gonna run some errands today. I'm not really sure what this vlog consists of. I just got up and I felt in the mood to create some content. I've been really consistent with creating, so I'm in that mood right now, and I'm gonna do a vlog. I know I want to cook something later. Don't know what I want to cook, but I do have some oyster mushrooms that have been in the fridge for about 2 days, sauteing, or not sauteing, but marinating. So I want to use that for something. I have some coconut wraps as well, so maybe I'll make like a coconut wrap with some oyster mushrooms in it. And I already have some kale at home. I got a few things at home, so I'm gonna see what type of wrap I want to make, put a few ingredients together and see what I don't have, and go and get some stuff from the grocery store. Yesterday I juiced some watermelon with some pineapple and some lemon, so this is what I'm drinking on today. I just took my herbs for the day. I had some Eternal Glow by Big Boss Business, some liquid chlorophyll, which is gonna keep me hydrated. It helps with a couple different things. You can actually get chlorophyll from dark leafy greens, but I like to get it from both. So I take liquid and I eat my dark leafy greens. And then I also took some black seed oil, which is really good as well, and it has a lot of different benefits. But right now I'm headed over to a client. I have a client at 12 o'clock. I'm running just a little bit late, but our original appointment was supposed to be at 6 o'clock anyway, so it's okay. I'm usually not late, but sometimes I do be running a little behind, especially because I'm a mobile stylist right now. So I'll travel from client to client. Sometimes there's traffic. It's just be unexpected sometimes. Maybe I don't finish on time because the client wasn't fully prepared, or maybe I just took longer. But for this case, I just was running a little behind. This watermelon juice is good though. Like, I don't need no extra sugars. I don't put any extra sugars in here. It's only watermelon, pineapple, and lemon. And that's all we be needing nowadays, y'all. Just the original. The original. But I'm feeling really good because I'm starting to get back in my content bag. I feel like I have been super just busy and not really making time to create for my YouTube channel. I've been creating for Instagram. I'm starting to post a little bit more on TikTok. Everything I post on Instagram, I'm gonna try to just bring it over to TikTok and post it on there. And even on YouTube Shorts, post my YouTube Shorts as well. And I just wanna get back consistent with that. I never mentioned it on my channel, but I'm actually in school right now, and I'm working on getting my cosmetology license, and I'm almost done. I'll be done with my cosmetology next month. But I'm thinking about going back for an extra 6 weeks to do something else, which I'm not gonna say because I don't like speaking on certain stuff. But things are in the works, and I'm really just prioritizing myself, building a solid foundation for myself. I think that is really important, especially when you're in your 20s. Building a solid foundation for yourself, not getting caught up in hanging out, partying, drinking, which I really don't drink like that anymore. I'm more of a wine, which that is alcohol, wine, champagne type of person more than anything. But y'all, when I first stepped into, basically what I was saying was, I'm just really focused on building a foundation for myself. I'm not the type of person where I'm in my 20s and I'm partying and I'm doing unnecessary things that are not going to be leading me towards my future goals and my future self. My future self is not going to be out partying and drinking and being around people who don't have goals, or being around people who are not in the same vibration I'm on. So I've just been very intentional. I've also just been really focused on not getting caught up in my love life. I need to make more time for my social life. I do prioritize that to a certain degree, but because I have been in school and so focused on just building and also still learning myself and learning what my purpose is, I haven't fully indulged too much in trying to make friends. I've just been in a slight period of solitude. I'll go into community events and I know certain people and I'm doing certain things and I have relationships with certain people, but in terms of really creating my own sisterhood, that is something that I'm intentionally going to be working on once I get more time. But as of right now, I'm not too worried about making a whole lot of friends. When I am in the space to do that, I will, but for now, I'm allowing things to just flow to me, and I will intentionally do that when the time is right. But all that to say is, that's actually a message. Whether you are in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, if you do not have a solid foundation for yourself, or you still have major things that you need to work on in order to feel secure within yourself and make sure that you have security for yourself, prioritize yourself. Friends will come, relationships will come, opportunities will come. You just have to be in alignment with your purpose, and sometimes that takes being in solitude. That's what I've done. I'm not in a major space of solitude anymore like I was back then. I'm just in a space where it's a balance. I'm social at times, and sometimes I'm in my bag. I'm working, I'm servicing clients, I'm working on my business, I'm in school. There's so many things that I'm doing. I'm trying to, I don't even want to speak on certain things because I don't know who's watching this video, and I do think that there's a thing that when you say certain things, there's people that are watching, and there's might be some people that want your life, that don't want to see you win, or that want to be just like you. And I'm not saying that I'm better than anybody else. This happens to many people. I've talked to many people where this has happened. And so I don't like to share things anymore until I want to share things and I feel comfortable enough to where it's like, okay, I've already done this. I've already put this out here. So, you know, whatever people do with this information, they can't put any negative energy towards that because I'm already on the path. I'm already doing what it is that I said I was going to do. So that's where I'm at with things. But let me focus on driving because they're blocking off these roads, people slowing down. So I'll hit y'all up when I get to my client. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I'll talk to y'all soon. so I'm done. But let me tell y'all what she blessed me with. So she got a garden, and I feel like this is a sign for me because I've been meeting so many people that have been, so many clients that have said they've been growing their own garden for years, and they just pick the fruits and the vegetables and stuff out their backyard. And I have a desire to have a land, acres full of food where I can just go and grab me some food and take it to the kitchen and cook it up, season it up. And so she took me to the back of her garden. She gave me 2 aloe veras. I ain't gonna take it out, the aloe veras, but she gave me 2 aloe veras. She also has a rosemary tree because I was spraying some rosemary on her hair. If y'all don't know, I have a herbal blend for my hair care line. So I was telling her about that. She was like, oh, where you get your rosemary from and stuff. And so she gave me a bag of rosemary. She also blessed me with some mint. So when I'm making teas and smoothies, I can use this mint. And it smells so good. And then I told you I was gonna be cooking later. And just because she gave me these tomatoes, I'm gonna try to find something I could do with these tomatoes. If I don't use them today, I'm gonna probably use them sometime this week. But she gave me some. I went shopping in her garden. I love it. And with this aloe vera, I'm gonna probably make like a face mask or something. But I'm about to figure out what I want to cook, head to the grocery store, and then go home. So I'll see y'all when I get to the grocery store. So I'm back at home. I ended up not even recording when I went to the store because I forgot I was even doing a vlog. But I'm back at home, and I had these oyster mushrooms that I was telling you guys about that I was holding off on, and that's been sitting in the fridge for like 2 days. So they are ready to be cooked. I'm gonna cook them in a pan. I'm gonna make me some coconut wraps. These are raw coconut wraps. I was using these when I was eating only raw foods for 32 days. If you haven't checked that video out, make sure to go check that out. I have a part 1 and a part 2. So that's what we're gonna be making. I'm gonna just show you guys all the ingredients that I use and incorporate into it. I'm also gonna make me like a chipotle type of sauce, and the cashew is gonna be the base of it. So I'll show you guys the recipe for that as well, on top of how I just cut up to make some banana fries. And let's get into it.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes trying to be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, won't feel it and smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Help me on my fears, my never since I disappeared. If you left me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear a long night. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit.